Last time, I showed everyone how to use select from to pull data from a database. Do you still remember how to use select from? Let's say I want to show all data from a customers table. What should I do? Let me type in the answer here. I want to type in select asterisk from customers. And then click Run SQL button. And then you are able to see all records from the customers table. Some customers may have a question. What if I want to see a particular customer record? Let's say I already know one customer ID is number 11. I only want to see that customer's ID, name, representative contact name, address, city, and country, and so on. I don't want to see other customers. I only care about the information about the customer number 11. If you want to search a particular data record, you must use the where function. Let me show you. Before the semicolon, right? Let's press the space bar to create a space. And then I want to type in where. This is the SQL function, where. After where, I want to specify the search condition. I already know the customer ID is 11. So after where, I want to type in customer ID. As you can see, this column name, customer ID, equals to, and then type in number 11. This is how you search information about customer number 11. Let's click Run SQL. As you can see, we only find the information of customer number 11. Let's do another exercise. Let's say I want to show information if the customers are from London. What I need to do is to modify the search condition after the where function. Let's remove customer ID equals to 11. Because this time, the search condition is city should be equal to London, right? So let's type in city and then an equal sign. Because this time, the search condition is a textual data. It's London. It's a text, right? We cannot directly search textual data. We must include the textual data by 2 double quotes. So after the equal sign, I want to type in 2 double quotes. And then between the double quotes, I want to type in London, the city name. And then click Run SQL. Now you can see the customer information because they are all from London, as you can see in the final result. What if I want to add some other search criteria? Let's say I want to see customer information if the customer is from either London or from Berlin. What I need to do is to modify the city part. Let's create a new search condition. I want to create a space and then type in the function name or. And then after or, I want to type in city equals to 2 double quotes, Berlin. What this means is, in the final results, I want to show the customer information if the customer is from either London or Berlin. Let's click Run SQL button. As you can see, we have one customer. This customer is from Berlin. Let's try another example. This time, I want to show customer information if they are from London and their customer ID must be less than 20. What should I do? So let's modify the where search condition. Let's remove all city equals to Berlin, right? City equals to London because we are interested in the customers if they are from London. In addition to the London search condition, we must specify that the customer ID must be less than 20, right? Let's type in the second search condition. This time I will use a function called and customer ID less than 20. Less than 20. If you want to include 20, of course you can type in less than equal to 20. It doesn't matter. And then let's click the Run SQL button. Now you can see all customers are from London and their customer ID are all less than 20. We learned all and and, these two functions. Both of them can add the second search conditions. So what is the difference between or and the function and? When you use the or function to search data, as long as a data record qualifies either one of the search conditions, the data record will be showing in the final result. When you use the AND function to search data, a data record must qualify both of the search conditions in order to show up in the final result. This is the major difference between OR and AND function when you use them to search data. One more point I want to mention is you don't have to always show all columns when you search data. Let's say you just want to show customer name and their address if they are from London and their customer ID is less than or equal to 20. What should I do? The search conditions are the same as the one you see here, right? We are interested in London customers if their customer ID is less than 20. So we don't have to change the search condition part. What we need to change is the select part, because in the new query, we are only interested in seeing customer's name and address. We don't want to show all columns. So instead of using the asterisk sign, we need to remove the asterisk and change it to customer name, and then a comma, and then address. Don't forget the comma sign. This is how we select multiple particular columns and show them in the final result, right? And then let's click the Run SQL button. Now you can see the customer name and address, and this time the customers are only from London and their customer ID are less than or equal to 20. This is how you use the where function. Before we end this video, I want to mention one more function name. It's called distinct. Let's show all information from the customers table. Let's remove the current query. Let's change it to select asterisk from customers. And then click Run SQL. Let's look at the city column. You can find a lot of duplicates in the city column. For example, we have a London here, and then we have a London here, we have a London here. We have a lot of customers from the same cities, right? What if I only want to create a report? I only want to show the unique cities in my customer group. Then at this moment, we need to use the distinct function to show the unique data records. What I need to do is to change the asterisk into distinct, and then city. After city, we still keep from customers, right? Let's click Run SQL. You can see we only show the unique cities. We removed all of the duplicates. What if we don't have a distinct? Let's remove distinct. And then you can see a data records with duplicates, right? We need to use distinct if we want to find the unique data records. This is how we use distinct. You see, we only have unique values. This is the distinct function.